sound is noise, and not all prayer uses words. Sound becomes prayer when it stops demanding attention, when it stops performing, when it stops trying to be heard. Prayer is not volume, it is intention. The chant whispered with presence is stronger than a shout filled with desire. When sound is born from silence, it carries humility. It knows where it came from. Prayer does not ask to be answered. It offers itself without expectation. This is why true prayer feels quiet, even when it is spoken. When music becomes prayer, it listens as much as its sound. Each note bows to the silence that holds it. Sound that respects silence does not disturb, it aligns. In ancient times, sound was not entertainment, it was invocation, a way of remembering what cannot be seen. When sound becomes prayer, the ego steps aside, what remains is sincerity. You do not sing to impress, you do not speak to convince, you offer sound as an act of devotion. Right now, notice the sounds around you. Which ones ask for attention, and which ones invite presence? Prayer is not separate from life. It is life listening to itself. When sound arises from my listening, it heals without effort. This is Sri Shambhav Music Podcast, where sound